back to my channel. So today I have another hair video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this gorgeous, voluminous, curly, bodyful, wavy hair, curly hair using clip-in extensions. Of course, you don't have to use clip-in extensions for this hairstyle, but I have thin hair, so I like to put a few wefts in my hair just so I can achieve this big look. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I do it and all the products. And yeah, if you're interested, go ahead and keep on watching, and thank you so much for clicking on my video and enjoy. Alright you guys, so first things first, I just want to put a little disclaimer out there. If you do notice something in the middle of my bracket and my teeth, it is part of my braces. It's not food, it's not a piece of rice, it's part of my braces. So before I get any comments about there's something in your teeth, it's part of my braces, okay? Alright, so let's just jump into this video. So the hair I'm going to be using is Amazing Beauty Hair. I have worked with them before if you have watched my other video. But yeah, they are really good quality hair extensions. I'm using their clip-in extensions, 20 inches. And it comes in a little case like this. This is what they look like. Very basic. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this zip tie off. So the package also comes with a rat tail comb and one of these handy clips. I have like 6 of these. They are so good. I love these types of clips because they not only clip, but it like goes around. If you can tell, it like I don't know how to explain it. They just work so well. So this is my natural hair right here. I just cut like 2 inches off because the ends were so dead. So I just cut 2 inches off, and it's just like a straight blunt cut, but it really needed it so bad. So anyways, so I'm going to use a 4-clip weft, a 3-clip weft for the lowest portion of my hair. I lied, I'm probably going to use 4, actually 4 different ones. So I'm going to use 3 3-clips and 1 4-clip. So you'll see where I put them all. Okay, so to actually curl my hair, to make it get those voluminous curls, I'm going to use this Remington Curler. It's like a tapered kind of curler. I haven't used this thing in so long. It honestly feels so cheap, like it's so light. It works, but it's just like, it was probably like $12 or $15, I don't know. If I find it, I'll link it below. And I have it on the highest setting. So one thing I like to do when I want to get a lot of volume in my hair is I use dry shampoo because it gives my hair the texture like near the scalp. This one is unscented and it is white because it's just the white one. So it comes out white, but I'm just going to put a little bit like near my roots so I can get more texture and more volume. Okay, so you're just going to want to rub that in if you are using dry shampoo because you don't want it to have that white cast. Okay, next I'm going to use heat protectant. This one is Silk Therapy BioSilk. I always use this stuff. It smells so good and it just really works for me. So I'm just going to put that mainly on the ends. Alright, so we're going to section the first piece off from where we're going to put the 3-clip weft. And I section it pretty low, below my ears, about there. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and put the 3 clips in there. Alright, so that's the first weft. Now I'm going to part where I want to put my 4-clip weft in. So that's usually like right above my ears. So like section it right about there all the way around. Alright, so that is the 2 wefts in. So now I'm going to put 2 of the 3 clips in. I'm probably going to, let's see, I'm going to do a middle part. There, like that. Very loosely. And then I'm going to put a 3-clip here and a 3-clip here on the side. 3. This might be too long. No, we're gonna make that work. Yeah, that's not too close. Okay, so now we're gonna put the other 3 right there. Normally I wouldn't put these 3 clips right here, but since we're going for big hair and voluminous hair, the more hair the better. Okay, so that is all 4 wefts in. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the comb that came with it. All right, so now I'm gonna put a little bit more of the heat protectant. All right, so now we're getting to the curling. So the wand of this one isn't super long. It's maybe about like 6-7 inches. So I don't know if my whole hair is gonna fit on there. We will see. Okay, I kind of remember why I don't like this thing is because my hair slides down. So instead of holding it downwards like this, I'm probably gonna hold it upwards so it doesn't slide down. Okay, hold it there for like 7-8 seconds and I'm gonna let it go. And that is the first curl right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my whole head. All right, guys, I'm gonna continue to curl my hair, do the same exact process, and then I will be back. All right, guys, so here is the update on the hair. I've done about half of it. I just have the top section left. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and finish the top. Okay, so now I just have the top section to do on this side and we will be almost done. We'll get to the fun part. Alright, you guys, so I finished curling all of my hair. This is what it looks like. Here's the back. So we got some tighter ones, a little bit looser ones. I try to get super tight ones, but some of them just wouldn't get curled really tight. So now to get my hair a little bit bigger and fuller, I'm just gonna separate the curls. I'm not gonna brush them because I don't want it fluffy and frizzy, but I do want it a lot bigger. So we're just gonna go through with my fingers and brush them so slightly and just separate the curls. All I hear outside are kids yelling Fortnite, Battle Pass. I don't get it. So now I'm just gonna flip my hair. Okay. I'm gonna flip it. Oh my god, my track almost fell out. I'm gonna hold on to my tracks. I swear shaking it is the key to getting fluffy hair. Okay, so I decided to flip it to one side because I think it looks a little bit better. But okay, so last finishing touch is, you don't have to do this part, but I'm gonna do a little bit of hairspray just to make it hold its body. Alright, you guys, so that is all I have for you for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and this big gorgeous hair.
So I'm editing and I just realized that I didn't finish what I wanted to say. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I will see you guys in my next video.